So I just got this adorable set of storage cubes. So it comes with 4 different cubes and 4 different lids. So the packaging on the outside is very cute. The inside, cutest wrapping paper. It does come with these awesome tags that you can label each bin with. So that is really nice. And then look at this design. It is gold hot pressed floral print. Shiny and super, super cute. This is going to go awesome in my daughter's room. I'm going to get these set up and show you what they look like. All right, so I love the design on this. So it has a hot pressed floral design with gold. It is so pretty. My 20-month-old daughter has all these small little toys that I'm excited to store them in. It also comes with a lid. They are foldable. They have handles on the side for carrying. So you're just gonna flip this little guy down here. That's gonna make it nice and stiff and sturdy. And then I have all of her small toys. You can store anything in these. Dog toys, kids toys, crafting, anything like that. And then the nice thing is you have a nice cover. So it's gonna look nice and neat. And you can just slide it and put it away nicely so it looks nice and clean. You can use this in your bathroom, in your children's room, in your bedroom, in your office. So really, really good for multiple use. And then I have my son here. He loves playing with little action figures and cars. So these are also great for small items like that. And buddy, you can store them in here. Go ahead and dump them in. Awesome. And then we just put the lid on. Yep. So this is gonna come with 4 boxes, 4 lids. Yep. And like I said, you can really use them for a lot of things. Nice and sturdy. You can carry it. There are different designs and colors that you can use as well. This one I'm gonna actually put in my daughter's room, so she does have some gold in her room. So I really like the floral hot press stamp design.